To enable or disable the reading mode on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to settings. Then we need to scroll down and let's go to display and brightness. Now over here, if you scroll down again, you should be able to find the reading mode. And if you open it, you can easily enable the reading mode, which can be based on the cycle or classic. So we have two different variants. We can also edit the classic one by adjusting the color, temperature, and the texture. You can also choose colors to be full, light, or black and white, as you can see over here. And of course, we can create a schedule for the reading mode as well. So if you want to turn it on automatically based on your current, based on your own period, then of course you can choose when it should turn on and when it should turn off. Or you can switch to this option, Good Night's Read, which enables automatically after sunset. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!